piping is very similar to compose. Basically, it is another way to do functional composition. Some people prefer piping because of the order the functions are placed in that are processed. Let's take a look at it using the code from the previous topic. So here when we use compose, the functions are read from bottom to top or from right to left. Well, piping would allow us to read them from top to bottom or from left to right. And some people prefer that. So it's just another way to do what compose does for us, but it's using the pipe function. And once again, the pipe function is available in all those libraries I've mentioned. But let's go ahead and convert what we have here into pipe. So I'm just going to change this to pipe right here. And then what I'm going to do is I will just reverse the order of all of these functions. So make uppercases first. And a lot of people think this is an easier way to think about it because, well, this is what I need to do first. Then I need to string to array. Then I need to remove duplicates. And then convert an array-like collection to an array. And then basically convert the array to a string. So a lot of people think that's an easier way to think about it. Compose is probably more traditional, but a lot of people use pipe as well. So there we're calling pipe and we're putting them in the order from top to bottom instead of from bottom to top. Now, how would we change our compose function we have here to be pipe? Well, if you already guessed, then good for you. But basically, we just use reduce instead of reduce right. Remember, reduce right takes it from the right side, basically from the bottom. Reduce takes it from the top. This array that is created here, we're going to take the first element, that's what it will process first, then this one, then this one, where reduce right came this direction here and up. So it's as simple as that to change what we're doing here. Change compose into a pipe. Let's just save it really quick and take a look at our results. Make sure things are working the way we want them to. So if I take a look at passphrase again, and once again, we have eliminated all the duplicates. Now, what if we didn't want these remaining in uppercase. We wanted to create a to lowercase function and include that in. Well, once you have something set up like this, it's easy to do. You can save this function here if you want and pass the results, the passphrase results, into to lowercase or something like that. Or we can create another to lowercase function. We could just add it as another function to call here at the end, since we're using pipe here at the end instead of compose would be up at the top. So really quick, we'll just set up a function. We'll do that. And that's going to receive a string, and then we are going to return a string that's converted to lowercase. And now we simply add that down here. Save it. And we take a look at passphrase again. Now they're in lowercase. So pipe as opposed to compose. I think it's important for you to know about it because you will run into it with functional programming. All right, let's move on.